From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back. We are coming back to Smith County for our next nonprofit organization. Joining me now is Dr. Lance Boley from Mosaic Counseling Centers of East Texas. Hello, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, sir. So if someone is not familiar with your center, tell us what you guys do and where you're located.
Yeah, well, we launched in 2012 with the purpose of providing affordable and accessible and high quality mental health care to not just Smith County, but really all of Northeast Texas, which covers around 35 counties. Wow. We were located downtown for most of those years, and then just last November, we moved to our current location on 6141 Paluxy Drive.
Okay. Well, why is it so important, do you think, to kind of talk about mental health and get away from the stigma of it being a bad thing about talking about it?
Yeah, well, I think that one of the latest reports in Mental Health America showed that Texas ranks 51st in the nation for access to mental health care. Wow. And that covers the cost of care, insurance coverage, insurance reimbursement rates, and provider availability. And Mosaic is here, and we were established for the purpose of closing that gap and making it more accessible and affordable. And so we accept most insurance plans, we provide discounts, and we provide financial assistance to those who need it. And in terms of accessibility, we provide teletherapy, e-counseling, and we provide sessions in the evening and on the weekends in order to meet the growing need for good quality mental health care.
Yeah, well, I feel like what we hear most of the time for mental health care is that barrier of having to pay for it. So what is that process like for the financial assistance through you guys? Yes,
well, so whenever a person is looking for care, they can go onto our website or call our offices, and they simply fill out a form showing us what their annual household income is. And so we provide pretty much a sliding scale fee based on their income levels. And so the average fee currently at Mosaic is around $50 to $52 per session, whereas the actual full cost of care is $120 to $150, and so it's a pretty substantial discount.
Yeah, that's great. Have you seen an increase in need of you guys' services over the past couple of years?
Yes, especially since COVID, we've seen an increase in need of care. And I think it's probably safe to say that we are in a mental health crisis, and we're seeing that especially with our young people and our teenagers. We're seeing that with all the technological advancements and the technological acceleration, we're seeing issues around that. And so there is definitely a growing need. And so in response to that, in 2023, we launched our Youth and Family Center of Excellence, and we're continuing to build upon that. So about 15% of our clients are children and youth under the age of 17, and we're continuing to see that grow. And so we have right now 4 providers that see our youth, and they're on the 2nd floor in our building, and the rooms there are specifically designed for children and youth. And so children ages 4 to around 8 have their own rooms, and then those who are older have their own rooms, and they're specially designed for those ages. And we're continuing to grow that base of therapists. We're adding 1 more therapist in May. So we'll have 5 therapists working specifically with children and youth, and as well as their parents and caregivers.
Yeah. Well, what is the money that you guys raise on East Texas Giving Day going to go toward?
It will go primarily to fund our core program services, which is affordable, accessible, high-quality mental health care, and then also to help spread the word about our presence here in the community and our presence here in Northeast Texas.
Well, if someone is interested in seeking treatment or just wanting to donate to you guys, where is the best place to find more information?
Go to our website at we'relisteningeasttexas.org, and please reach out and let us know. Send us an email, contact us through social media, or give us a call.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Coming up next on East Texas Live, get your scissors and your sewing machine out. We're going to chat with the Christian Quilt Guild after the break to learn more about their mission. Please stay with us.